Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a poll on YouTube. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're on an iPhone or Android, you can use the YouTube app, or of course, if you're on a computer, you can go to youtube.com. Now, I'm going to open up the app here and say I want to create a new poll. All I have to do is make sure I'm logged into my account, tap the little plus at the bottom center, and you'll see it brings up the camera, and you'll see video, short, live, and post. We need to switch over to post. Now that we are in here, at the very bottom left, you can see the poll icon with those lines. I can tap on it, and it says add poll options here. So let's say I'm just going to do a text poll. On here, the easy thing is you can just manage and create that poll. Keep in mind, only accounts with 500 or more subscribers are able to create these polls and do this. So if you're not quite there yet, you need to get a few more subscribers, get up to 500, then you can create any of these. Now, all I have to do is type in, let's say, what's your favorite phone? And I'm going to say iPhone here, on here, Samsung Galaxy, add another option here, let's say Google Pixel, other. And then I'm just going to hit post. Now, the cool thing is it will create this poll and send it out to all of my subscribers. Everybody will be able to see it. And then, of course, if I ever want to go back, I can just review that poll and see the poll results. I'll be able to see as people vote for basically what is their favorite phone. And on here, I can basically just navigate that. Of course, I can always remove it if I no longer want that on my account, anything like that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.